In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the iPhone call volume that is low that you may be encountering. Now this will work for all iPhone devices, so let's dive straight in. So the first thing that I recommend you to do, and this one is super obvious, but I fall for this one all the time, and that's just to simply check that the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone are set to the volume that you desire for your incoming calls. Now, if you've got that high and for whatever reason it's still not coming up, it's still very low, I'll also show you some other fixes for that as well. Now, the first one can be found in the Settings app. And if I just come to Sounds and Haptics, now right here we have the ringtone and alert volume. Now this is actually a separate volume control specifically for alerts and kind of incoming calls. Now if this is set to low, that means all of your incoming calls will actually be at this volume, which is, as you can see, very, very low. Now if you want your incoming calls to be much louder, pretty much all you have to do is slide it up to your desired kind of volume. Now also, if you want to control both the volume buttons and the ringer buttons at the same time, because this one is generally only for videos and music. However, if you want them to sync up together, because as you can see, this is actually controlled independently from this one. If you want those to be together, you just have to change with buttons. So now my volume for the incoming calls and also my videos and music that I play will be controlled by the volume buttons on the side of the iPhone. Now, for whatever reason, if that's still not working, I'll show you one other quick thing that you can try. And this is specific only for the iPhones with the Face ID. So if I come down to Face ID and passcode back in settings, I'll just put in my passcode so I can access these settings. Now, if I scroll down to attention aware features, this is kind of like one of those weird Apple features that if your iPhone is ringing and if you glance at the Face ID camera or if you look at the phone, it will actually suppress the kind of call volume for your incoming call. Again, it's just one of those really weird features. So if you want to turn that off, you can just disable that. So now whenever you get an incoming call and if you pick up to see who it is and you're like, no, I don't want to talk to them, that will just kind of make the incoming call volume the same. So there you have it, guys. 3 really quick, easy ways on how you can fix the iPhone call volume issue on your iPhone device. And again, this will work for all iPhone models out there as well. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.